Hi, I am Candace Brands, and I am Dordt University's academic advisor. I am here to just give you a little bit of intro to your dual credit course today, a few pieces of information to help you be the most successful that you can be. And so, first wanted to give you a little update on our team. There's 4 of us here at the online academic department, and Joe is our director, Sarah is our admissions girl, and Caitlin is our administrative assistant. So you might be seeing emails from any one of us. Why should you take a dual credit course? I think it's really important that you ask this question as you're getting started here with our program. It is important that you know why you're doing this. The dual credit courses are credits for college and high school. So that means it's going to go on your college transcript as well as your high school. Each high school looks at the credits a little bit differently, so talk to your school counselor about that. And then also, if you go to Dordt, they will transfer to your college transcript. If you do not go to Dordt, if you decide to go somewhere else, it's important to ask the question, do these courses transfer over to your college of choice? And those are questions that I can answer. We do offer a wide variety of courses. Many are our core required courses, and a good amount of those are going to be recognized at many universities as well. We also are offering introductory courses like Intro to Social Work or Intro to Education. These are wonderful courses if you are interested in that type of field of study and to just learn a little bit more about it and if it might be the right fit for you. I also believe that dual credit is a great tool to help you get prepared for college life and to get prepared for what a college course could look like. These are tough, hard college courses, and you're going to put some work into it. Most of our courses are 16 weeks in length, broken up into 1 week or module sections. And on our online learning system called Canvas, you will see them chunked out that way. Each module will have different assignments, discussions, videos, papers to write, different things like that. Most of the courses are going to have an intro video from the professor, and then you would go ahead and do the assignments and discussions at what time works for you, given the due dates. I really want to highlight the discussions because I think it's a great way to participate with your classmates and to offer up some valuable pieces of information that maybe you see and can relate with. And I think that we often underutilize those discussion boards, so I really encourage you to take some time on those as well. Some top tips to be successful in the dual credit course. Number 1 is staying connected. So I'm going to be your main point of contact. If you need anything, please reach out. I'm available 5 days a week, and I often check my email outside of work hours, so if you need anything, please let me know. Otherwise, your professor is a great resource also to ask questions, if you have any problems or issues, things like that. Time management is really important. I really encourage you to consider that this is a college course, and so we say 3 hours of work per credit hour. Many of our courses are 3 credits, so that would be somewhere between 8 to 10 hours a week that you would be working on this course. And I do really see that that is true. You might be thinking, oh, not that long, but it's true. You will be spending about that amount of time. I highly encourage you to complete your coursework on time. That is one thing that I've been seeing from students who struggle the most is they get behind, and then all of a sudden they're behind the rest of the semester because it's hard to keep up. So right away, first week, get that coursework in on time so that you can stay caught up with it. It's really important to read your syllabus completely all the way through at the beginning of the course. I think that's such a great start to give you an overview and help you understand the objectives of the course, how the professor is going to grade, The textbooks, any details that you might need to know are going to be listed on that syllabus. So I really encourage you to read through that to make sure that you get your textbooks on time. So Dordt has a bookstore that you should be able to order any of your books from. Amazon is another place if you want to order it from there. Sometimes there's ebooks offered through the Dordt bookstore, would be able to help you with that. You will be getting an email from me on what your Dordt email address is and login information and all of that. And I'm just going to give you a little bit of an overview also about our online learning system called Canvas. So Canvas is the tool that we use for all of our information. The papers you're going to be handing out or handing in will be going through there. Now, each class is a little different, and there might be some other tools that the professors will use, but it will still go through Canvas. So when you log in, your courses will be listed here on your dashboard. And so this student I have has 2 courses, Core 130 and Core 140. And then also you will have a little card for an online orientation that I highly recommend you watch as well. Canvas is really user-friendly, and so one of the best ways to understand it is just to get in there and play around with it a little bit. But this is going to be your first screen. When you click on the home screen, there'll be more information about your course. And so as you scroll down from here, it'll list all the modules that are within the course and the dates that each module is on. A lot of times the professors will have a little intro video there and contact information as well. And then I also really encourage you to click on the other icons, the water cooler and the Dordt U. The other, I'm going to go back here, is the syllabus. So on that page, there's going to be a link to your course syllabus, which I mentioned already, but there's also going to be a lot more information on that page. Another video from me about academic advising. There will be some information about the Dordt's Academic Achievement Center, Enrichment Center, and how you can do some tutoring or proofreading. There's going to be some technology information on that page. So that syllabus page is a really great page to just kind of navigate through for a little while as well in the beginning here. On the right side of your screen, you will have a to-do list whenever you go to that home screen. And so it's a nice little tool to show you all the upcoming things that you need to hand in. And on the middle here is your an example of grading. And so where that little dash is, I just think this is kind of interesting. You can actually enter prospective grades, what you hope to get, and it will then calculate what your grade will be. So if you're halfway through the course, you're struggling just a little bit, and you want to know, am I going to pass this course, or can I get an A? You can add in grades there just to see what could possibly happen. And so I think that's kind of interesting. But it's always your grade and what it's out of, so how many points it's out of too. Under the calendar, it also shows you all the due dates of your assignments. And so I think that's a really great tool to make sure you're on track, you keep your assignments on time, all of that's so important. So a reminder, you are a college student. You're a high school student, but you're also a college student by enrolling in our dual credit courses. I mentioned that these are difficult courses. You're going to need to put some time and effort into it. You have 1 week to drop the course with no repercussions to it. If you need to withdraw from the course, you can do that in the first 2/3 of the course. So after that, your grade will be on your transcript. And I heard something say that transcripts are like diamonds. Okay, the grade on your transcript will be there forever. So it's really important that you know this, that you are in college. Even though you're still a high school student, you are taking a college course, and it matters. So I'll be in contact with you on that as well to help you make those decisions. Also, you are considered an adult, and so we as Dordt staff do not really share a whole lot of information with your parents unless you've given us permission. As your advisor, I am somebody who can help you consider your college career and what that could look like, so maybe some course plans, areas of interest, and all how dual credit fits into that. How can dual credit help you get prepared for college? So please reach out to me if you have some advising questions. I highly encourage you to consider coming for a campus visit to Dordt University as well. We have a wonderful campus here. We have amazing professors. I just know you're going to love it if you come to campus, and I highly encourage you to do so. I have got my contact information there, but like I said, I'm going to be contacting you more often through text or email, and just always encourage you to reach out if you ever need anything. And I hope you have a great day and a great semester, and I look forward to getting to know you better.